We have started 9.3 exercise NCERT, and in last video we have done till question number 16. So today we'll start from question number 17, and the question is, if the 4th, 10th and 16th terms of GP are x, y and z, the fourth term will be a r to the power 4 minus 1, that is 3. That is equal to x, a r, 10th term will be a r 9, that will be equal to y, a r, and 16th term will be equal to a r to the power 15, that is equal to z. Respect. Now what we have to do, x, y and z are in GP, we have to find. Okay, so अगर ये GP में है, x, y, z are in GP, if and only if there is some common ratio, मतलब y upon x is equal to z upon y. Okay, so we have to check this. So y upon x will be equal to, y is equal to a r to the power 9 and x is equal to a r to the power 3. A cancel and we'll get r to the power 6. Okay, and z upon y, that will be equal to, z is equal to a r to the power 15 and y is equal to a r to the power 9. Okay, a cancel, again we'll get 8 r to the power 6. So the common ratio is same, so that we can say that x, y and z are in GP. Okay, now we'll move to the next question, that is question number 18. Find the sum to n terms of the sequence 8, 88, 888, 8888. Okay, so what we have to do, n terms तक हमें find out करना है. So sum will be Sn is basically 8 plus 88 plus 888 plus n terms till n terms. Now what we can do, 8 upon 9 से हम multiply करते हैं. So 8 common लेंगे and we will multiply this by 9. So we'll get 9 plus 99 plus 999 plus ... n terms. Now 9 के लिए can we write 8 upon 9 into 9 के लिए we can write 10 minus 1 plus 100 या फिर 10 square minus 1 plus 10 cube minus 1. Can we write like this? Okay, n terms तक. Now 8 upon 9, okay, into 10 plus 10 square plus 10 cube plus n terms तक, and minus 1 n times. So 1 into n. Okay, so it will be 8 upon 9 into, ये जो 10 first term is 10 and r is also 10. So a into r, so 10 into 10 to the power n minus 1 divided by 10 minus 1. Okay, and this is minus n. Okay, so it will be 8 upon 9 into, and this will be in 10 minus 1 9, so 10 upon 9 multiplied by and this will be 10 upon 9, yeah, 10 upon 9 and then 10 to the power n minus 1 and okay, and minus n, sorry ये अंदर लेंगे and it will be 10 upon 9 and minus n. Okay, now what we have to do, ये हम directly multiply कर सकते हैं, so we'll get 8 upon 8 into 10, so 80 upon 81 into 10 to the power n minus 1 minus 8 upon 9 n. Okay, so this will be the n term का sum of n terms. Okay, now we'll move to the next question, that is question number 19. Okay, in this question, what is the, see, find the sum of the product of corresponding terms of the sequences. Two sequences given. First sequence क्या है, 2 4, 8, 16, 32. And second sequence क्या है? 128, 32, 8, 2 and 1 upon 2. So these are the five terms of first sequence. So GP1 and this is GP2. Two GPs are given. I mean, two sequences are given. So now what is the question? Question is find the sum of the product of the corresponding terms. The first term of this sequence should be multiplied to the first term of this sequence, and we have to find out the sum. So sum will be equal to this sum of n terms, that will be equal to 2 into first term of this one into first term of this one. 2 into 128 plus 4 into 32 plus 8 into 8 plus 16 into 2 plus 32 into 1 upon 2. Okay, तो ये तो हमें 16 मिलेगा. Now from here we'll start. This will be 16. So can we write 16 into 1 and ये this is 16 into 2 and इसको 8 into 8 64, so we can write 16 into 4 and this is 32 into 4 मतलब 16 into 8 and this is 128 into 2 मतलब 16 into 16. Yeah. Okay. So now what we can see, यहाँ पे हम 16 अगर common लेते हैं, we'll get 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, and we can see that these numbers, these are also in sequence in GP, where the first term is 16 and the ratio, common ratio is, there are 5 terms, number of terms is 5 and common ratio is 1 upon 2. So which formula we have to apply? We have to apply the formula 1 minus a into 1 minus r to the power n upon 1 minus r. So r, okay, so 16 into first term is 16 into 1 minus r. 1 minus r is equal to 1 upon 2 and to the power 5. So 1 upon 2 ka power 5 divided by 1 minus 1 upon 2. Okay, so this will be equal to 16 and multiplied by 16, and this is 2 minus 1 divided by 2, so this will be 2. So my 1 upon 2 division में रहेगा, so multiplication में it will be 2 and then 2 to the power 5 minus 1 divided by 2 to the power 5. Okay, and 2 to the power 4 3, so this is 2 to the power 4 to the power 4 and this is 2, so 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 5 we can write, and this one is 2 to the power 5 minus 1 upon 2 to the power 5. It looks like 25 ना, so 2 to the power 5 ठीक से लिखेंगे and it will be 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power is 5 is 32, so 32 minus 1 will be 31 and 2 to the power 4 is 16. 16 into 31. Okay, so what value will be getting? 16 into 31 will be 480 plus 16, 496. Okay, so this value will be getting. So I hope you understood the sums. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.